Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Yes, guys, latest news about King Saheed Osupa. Yes, his Austin, Texas performance has been done and dusted, and it all went well. Yes, why will it not went well? Because fans were just busy, even women, guys, everybody were just busy spraying him money, so it went well. So that Austin, Texas performance is done and dusted. So fans in Indianapolis, you are the next to be expecting him. Watch out for King Saheed Osupa. So he's coming there live and direct to perform. So guys, he's coming to give you what he knows how to do best, that is singing, that is music. So he's coming over to give it to you back to back.